Welcome back, folks. Today, we've got something special for all you Ford Escape owners out there. If you've been searching high and low for the best seat covers to protect your ride, look no further. We've got the perfect solution for you. The BDK PolyPro car seat covers, full set in charcoal on black. These seat covers aren't just any ordinary covers. They're designed to provide ultimate protection against wear and tear, keeping your Ford Escape looking fresh and stylish for miles to come. What sets these seat covers apart is their top-notch quality and attention to detail. Made from breathable materials, they ensure maximum comfort during those long drives. While the stylish two-tone design adds a touch of flair to your vehicle's interior. And the best part? They're incredibly easy to install. Just follow the simple instructions, and you'll have them on in no time. Plus, they're fully compatible with side airbags. So you can drive with peace of mind knowing your safety isn't compromised. But don't just take our word for it. Customers rave about the durability, fit, and overall value of these seat covers. With thousands of satisfied customers, it's no wonder they're a top choice for Ford Escape owners everywhere. So there you have it, folks, the best seat covers for your Ford Escape, brought to you by BDK. Don't wait any longer to give your ride the protection it deserves. Get your hands on these seat covers today and experience the difference for yourself. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique, where we find the best products so you don't have to. See you next time.